Hello guys, so today I want to show you this application that is called Appkarma. So Appkarma is a very simple website that allows you to make free money online. So what you do on Appkarma, you install application, you play game, you get paid, you refer people to the program, you are going to be getting paid. So go to your Google Play Store. So once you land on your Google Play Store, you have to search for Appkarma, which is Appkarma. Appkarma. You click on it, you see Appkarma reward and gift cards. So once you have installed the application, you register with your email, password, and your username. And make sure you verify your username, your email address. So they will send you a verification email address, and you will click on that verification email address that is sent to you. Then your account will be verified. So that is when you have, if you want to register. So if you want to register, click on open, and it will ask you for your password and your email. But me, I already have my account, so that is why you can see my account like this. But if you don't have your account, they will ask for you to register your account with your email account, and you have to enter your information. So how it works is that you can get daily offers. You can be lucky, and you can win like 200 points for just logging in daily. So depending on how you participate on the application. So you can see, you can get daily offers, free point daily, and you can install application here. You click on it. As you can see, if you install this application and you use this application, and you are going to get paid within 24 hours or 30 days, depending on how the company decide to pay you your point. So you can see this is 96 points I'm going to get for installing this application. Just open it, uninstall the application again, and I will make money for doing that. So if I come down again here, I click on this section that say playtime reward. This session you can play game. Once you click on playtime reward, it will take you entirely to other page of Appkarma, where you will see application that you can install, and you will make money for using all those applications. You can see this application here is going to pay you 7 points every minute for just in playing this game. So this one is going to pay you 4 karma for just playing this game. So if you want to use them, you install it on your smartphone, and you start using them for completely free. So that is it. If you want to learn more how you can use this to earn more money, there will be a link in the description that you can use to earn more money with Appkarma. So if you go back again to Appkarma, you can see here that you can install all those applications, and you can see that you can make 12,000 points, 6,000 points, 1,000 points, 13,000 points, 11,000 points, 12,000 points, 5,000 points. It keep on going for just using all those applications, and you are going to be making unlimited money. So how can you make money in another way again? You can refer people to the program. Click on the referral program. You will see here that you can refer people to this program. For if you refer anyone to this program, you are going to be making 30% lifetime from that person, and the person is going to get 300 karma for you using for you giving them your referral code. So my referral code, you can see it on the screen here, which is iamregodspower. iamregodspower. As you can see, iamregodspower, as you can see on the screen here. I'll still leave it in the description below, so you can just check it and start using Appkarma. So once you have know all those things, so how you can get your money, I know I'll be telling you how you can use the application, but how can you get your money after you are through doing all those activities? You need to click on this section here that say rewards. So once you click on rewards, you will see that you can receive your money on paper. You can receive your money on Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, Xbox Live, and Steam. So if you click on paper, you will see $10. You are going to get 13,500 points for redeeming your $10. While $25 is a 28,500 for redeeming your $25. While $50 is 50,000 points for redeeming your $50. So that is how it works. You can see that it's instantly they will send the point to you. once you have cash the money into your paper account. So that is how it works, and that is how you can go and start using this method to start making free money online. Install application, watch video like you see, and you are making money out of it at the end of the day. So that is how the application works. So all you just need to do now is to go and start using Appkarma to start making free money online. You already know how everything works. I'll say thank you very much. This is Money Win TV. Don't forget again to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if it helped you out. And then leave your comment in the comment section below, and I will reply you as soon as possible. So thank you very much, and peace out, and bye bye.